Ynab, how to categorize credit card payments. Are you confused about how to categorize credit card payments in Ynab? You're not alone. This is one of the most common questions new users have. In this video, I'll walk you through the correct way to handle credit card payments in Ynab step by step. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the basics. First, it's important to understand how Ynab treats credit cards. When you make a purchase using a credit card, Ynab automatically moves money from your spending category to your credit card payment category. This means the money for that purchase is set aside, waiting for when you pay the card later. So when it comes time to pay the bill, you're not budgeting again. You're just using money that's already been set aside. Section 2. Making a credit card payment. To record a payment to your credit card, go to your credit card account and add a new transaction. Enter the payee, usually your bank or card issuer, set the category to credit card payment, and enter the amount you're paying. It's very important to use the credit card payment category. Never categorize the payment as a regular expense like groceries or bills. Doing that will throw your budget off balance. Section 3. If you haven't budgeted enough. If your credit card payment category is in red or underfunded, it means you've made purchases but didn't budget for them properly. In that case, you'll need to move money from another category, like dining out or entertainment, to cover the difference. This helps keep your budget aligned and ensures you're not creating debt without a plan to pay it off. Section 4. Helpful tips. Here's a quick tip. If you plan to pay your credit card balance in full every month, make sure your credit card payment category matches the current balance on the card. That way, every dollar you spend on the card is backed by a budgeted dollar, and your finances stay on track. Always check your budgeted and activity columns to make sure your payments line up with your spending. And that's how to categorize credit card payments correctly in Ynab. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out our Ynab playlist for more budgeting tips. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!